Okay, who will tell the page number on which we had done the previous day, up till where we had done the previous day? Nobody knows which page number we were on.
Ma'am, page number 27.
Very good. Page number 27 and para.
Ma'am, fourth.
The first line of the fourth para.
That's the whole trouble, ma'am. Till this paragraph we have done yesterday.
Okay, I have done it. Okay, he cannot learn like a parrot. Okay, it was quite difficult for him to learn anything by heart. Okay, Elsa जो उसकी cousin है उसको समझाती है कि even the dull boys, even the duffers, they just learn everything by heart. They cram it. Okay, they don't need to understand and they pass in the examination. And even you can do the same thing, but he refuses and he says that is the whole trouble. Okay, आई एम नो गुड एट लर्निंग थिंग्स बाय हार्ट, है ना, मैं अच्छे से मतलब चीजों को रट नहीं सकता था. ठीक है, एवरीबडी गॉट इट.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You don't need to be good at it from here. Put the date written.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You don't need to be good at it. Anyone can learn like a parrot. You just don't try. And yet I always see you with a book under your arm, added Elsa. अब Elsa जो थी cousin, वो कहती है कि you don't need to be good at it, है ना, तुम्हें कोई इसमें ये जरूरी नहीं है कि बहुत अच्छा होना पड़े या एक्सीलेंट होना पड़े. एनीबडी कैन लर्न लाइक अ पैरेट. जिस तरह से पैरेट लर्न करता है, सुन सुनकर रट लेता है. ओके, सिमिलरली एनीबडी कैन डू इट. बट वो कंप्लेन करती है एल्बर्ट को, लेकिन तुम तो कोशिश भी नहीं करते. यू डोंट इवन ट्राई and you don't even try, but I always see you book under, okay, with a book under your arm. What is the one you are reading? A book on geology. Geology, rocks and things. You learn that. अब एल्सा कहती है कि भाई you are not good at learning, you cannot learn it. Okay, why? Because you don't even try to learn. And then एक आयरनी वो यूज करती है. ओके, कि लर्न भी नहीं कर सकते हो तुम कोशिश भी नहीं करते हो पढ़ने की, बट स्टिल आई कैन ऑलवेज सी यू विद अ बुक अंडर योर आर्म. और हमेशा तुम्हारी बगल में एक बुक मुझे हमेशा दिखाई देती है. ओके, और फिर पूछती है कि भाई क्या है दिस बुक. तो एल्बर्ट ही आंसर्स दैट इट इज अ बुक ऑन जियोलॉजी. And geology, he's interested in it. Okay, in rocks and other things. And this thing, this book, this subject, it is not taught in school. Clear? Do you
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
usually
Yes,
have
ma'am.
hardly any science in school? अब Elsa पूछती है, do you study geology? तो कहता है, no, we don't have any science in the school. Then why are you studying it? तो Elsa कहती है, भाई वो क्यों पढ़ रहे हो if you do not have geology in the school? He answers, because I like it. Isn't that a good enough reason? Okay, he becomes somewhat irritated. वो कहता है, this is a good reason, I'm giving you कि why I study geology, because I like it, and that is the best reason I can tell you. Elsa sighed. Sighed means she took a long breath and she says, you are right, of course, Albert, but it won't help you with your diploma. Okay, you're absolutely right, because you are interested. That's why you read this book, but this book is not going to help you to pass the school examination. Apart from books on science, his only comfort was music, and he played his violin regularly until his landlady asked him to stop. See now, Albert, he was very fond of science, okay? And science books he kept on reading every now and then. और जो दूसरी चीज थी that brought him joy or happiness was the music. Music का बड़ा शौक था उन्हें. And he played his violin regularly, okay, when he was there in his lodgings, in his room. So regularly, continuously, he used to play violin until and unless the landlady, she would come and she would ask Albert to stop it. अब वो क्या कहती थी, that wailing gets on my nerves, she said. There's enough noise in this house with all the kids howling. ओके, और वो आवाज उसको इरिटेट करती थी और कहती थी दिस वेलिंग, नाउ सी द म्यूजिक दैट वाज क्रिएटेड बाय वायलिन, वो लेडी उसको वेलिंग समझती थी। वेलिंग समझते हो ना, चीख जो बहुत दर्द या एंगर में निकलती है, ओके, क्राई दैट कम
Yes, ma'am.
पेन और एंगर, ओके। तो कहती थी यू नो इट गेट्स ऑन टू माई नर्व्स, है ना। वैसे इतनी ज्यादा हाउलिंग है पूरे घर में, इतनी ज्यादा साउंड है कि एवरी टाइम यू कैन सी द किड्स, यू नो दे आर मेकिंग लॉट एंड लॉट ऑफ नॉइज इन द हाउस। तो वैसे इतना शोर शराबा है, एंड दिस वेलिंग यू नो इट क्रिएट्स अ हेडेक फॉर मी। अब वो ये बोलती तो एल्बर्ट कहते हैं कि एल्बर्ट was tempted to point out that most of the time it was it was she who made them howl, but he decided it was better to say nothing. अब जब वो कहती ना, तो एल्बर्ट टेम्प्ट होते थे, इच्छा होती थी कि ये बताए कि यस यू आर द मेन रीजन, okay, why? Because you are the one who made all the kids cry in the house, you make the kids shout in the house. समझ में आया? कहते थे मेरी बहुत इच्छा होती दैट आई शुड टेल हर कि भाई तुम ही तो रीजन हो, तुम्हारी वजह से ही तो सारे दिन बच्चे चिल्लाते हैं, चीखते रहते हैं, ओके, या रोते रहते हैं। व्हाई डू यू रिमेम्बर इन द बिगनिंग वी हैव रेड कि जो लैंडलेडी थी एवरी डे शी यूज्ड टू बीट हर चिल्ड्रन, एंड ऑन सैटरडेज हर हस्बैंड केम ड्रंक एंड ही यूज्ड टू बीट हर, राइट? हमने देखा था ना।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, कि रोज तो
Yes, ma'am.
वो अपने हस्बैंड को मारती थी और सैटरडे को हस्बैंड उसको मारता था, ओके। खूब पीकर आता था एंड ही यूज्ड टू बीट हर। तो अभी भी एल्बर्ट की इच्छा हुई कि वो उसको बोले कि यू आर द रीजन फॉर द क्राइम, ओके, इफ द किड्स हाउल, इफ द किड्स क्राई, यू नो यू आर द रीजन। बट एनी हाउ ही ट्राइड, okay, he controlled his wish, okay, his desire or his temptation, and he said that he means convince himself, okay, by thinking that it would be better if he keep quiet. I must get away from here, he told Yuri after 6 months alone in Munich. Okay, now he was living in Munich. Where is Munich? It's in Germany, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
मिलान में, मिलान जो था जहाँ उनके फादर रहते थे, वो इटली में है बेटा, राइट? तो वो कहता है आई मस्ट गेट अवे फ्रॉम हियर, ही टोल्ड यूरी आफ्टर 6 months अलोन इन म्यूनिच। इट्स एब्सर्ड दैट आई शुड गो ऑन लाइक दिस, in the end it will turn out I have been wasting my father's money and everyone's time. Ab, after 6 months remaining alone in Munich, you know, when he meets Yuri, his best friend, तो उसको कहता है, you know, I must get away from here. बड़ा absurd है, कितनी strange बात है that I have to continue like this. I'm not at all interested in remaining here.